Mag-training. Char.
Top 3 things to do on Valentine's Day. For me, hindi mawawala kapag tumapat siya ng weekdays or Saturdays. Training. Hindi mawawala yan. At saka, especially now that ongoing yung season and yung tournament. So, mag-dress up. Siyempre, kailangan importante yan. Now that I have a boyfriend, siyempre, kailangan, I'm not expecting anything, but, you know, kailangan ready tayo.
Training. Greet my loved ones. Ang video call kasi they're in Iloilo. And then, kapag andito yung sister ko and yung boyfriend ko, dinner out, ganun.
Siguro kain lang sa labas kasi of course mayroon pa kaming season. So siguro after na lang ng season kami babawi. Yeah. Eat good food na lang.
Deep talks. Dinner sa magandang resto. Hindi mamahalin pero alam mo yung magandang ambience. Love, hindi lang sa in a relationship but also your kapatids and parents and lolas.
Top 3 things to do sa Valentine's. Mag-training. Char. Mag-training, tapos after mag-training, syempre, mag-recover, me time, ganon. And syempre, dahil minsan lang, once a year lang yung Valentine's, mag-date. Secret ang ka-date. Magluto. Pero sabay na lang, ang dami kasing tao sa labas, sis.
Quality time. And dalawa kasi single sa team. So, magdi-date kami ni Caroline Santos. Yeah, yan yung gagawin namin. Magdi-dinner date kami. Sa rooftop. So, wala man kaming partner. Kaya naman namin dalawa matutulog after kumain.